Jordan.
Hi, I'm Dad.
Today, we're going to build the Lego Technic Audi RS2 E-Tron.
This is number 42160,
It's 10 plus.
so you can't build it. It doesn't tell you how many pieces, but it's part of the control set. That's the front of the box.
Back of the box.
Back of the box. Tells you stuff about the real car.
Car.
Let's see what you get.
In the box in the set.
Oh, it's one of those pushy ones. Careful. Try it. Hey.
It's not working.
Ready?
That box.
So you get 4 numbered bags, but 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 threes, 3 fours, 3 fours, 3 fours, a 4 is a 4.
I don't know what's in this thingy.
4 motors.
The 3 motors.
Oh yeah, sorry, 3 motors. Red wheels.
Red, like
What's in
inside
there?
wheels. I don't know. It feels hard.
Is it heavy?
No,
Let's see what you get. Open it
And
then.
there's 4 wheels.
And a big Bob book in a protective case.
Let's see what's inside this box.
Don't drop it in case it's not droppable. It's the
big
battery
motor.
pack. It's the battery pack.
Oh, there's a turn on button.
Oh.
Look at, show them the stickers. Let's count them. Double sticker page.
2 sticker sheets. I didn't know this
I'm
was
gonna
part of the
count
deal. This one has
45.
This one has 19.
This one has 45
So
stickers.
45 stickers all up? 45 stickers. Holy guacamole. One big Bob book.
1,500 pages.
193 pages, but 254 steps.
And an electric motor.
Yeah, there's a comparison shot of the Lego and the real one.
Looks kind of the same.
Similar.
Just because it doesn't have that.
That's it. Let's build it.
Let's build it. This is the finished Audi E-Tron build.
E-Tron Q, E-Tron Q. E-Tron Q or Q E-Tron?
Q E-Tron.
Yeah. It looks cool. Looks like a tank.
It is a tank.
Yeah, it's pretty solid. It's got really
With suspension.
good suspension.
Drop it.
That probably shook the camera. 3 motors,
A, B, and D.
A, B, and D. It does have a party trick though. It drives with the control app. First,
They need
we've
to add
got to put batteries in it.
Oh, you missed something.
Batteries. Like six double A's.
What about triple A's?
The small ones.
And then what's 1A?
That's your classroom.
No, it is not. I'm not year 1, bro. I'm year 3.
Did you just say bro?
Yeah, bro.
So you stick the 6 batteries in there.
6 pack in.
It's good that it's accessible.
It's got a 6 pack now.
It does have a 6-pack.
You goosey goober. What does a penguin eat at a barbecue?
Chicken.
No. Asperger's.
Right. So batteries are in it.
Drive. There's other things on this app like a crane, a little. Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, I wanted that off-road buggy. We didn't get there's a lot of those I didn't get
A Top
off-road
Gear
buggy.
rally car. And
got
there's
the
another
first
one
one.
that he's got. It's a 4x4 extreme off-roader car. Orange.
Now, do not drive this off the table.
Oh yeah, I will.
Then you press the green button in the middle.
It doesn't make a sound.
Blue light comes on. It's connecting.
Where's the blue light?
And then the big one, isn't it? Anyway, while it updates,
I'll tell them another joke. Why did the toilet paper roll down the hill? To get to the bottom.
I was going to tell you about the Lego car that you came to watch.
Cha-cha.
It's got nice red wheels. The build was actually really cool. That's what the underside looks like. Front and rear diffs. I like the new diffs, the way they're designed. It's light. No, I've already dropped it.
It is light? I want to feel.
It's not heavy. Feels heavier than it looks.
Yeah.
I mean, that made no sense. It looks heavier than it feels. It's not heavy.
People
Look,
like me.
calibrating.
Oh.
Learn how to operate. Your left joystick to control steering. I'm doing that. What's happening?
That scared me.
Whoa. Okay, yep. Oh, it's cool. It's like a little car dash
Dash
with
board.
levers.
Dash thing.
What are you saying? Oh yeah, stops immediately. Then it's got like a graph to show you your accelerations and brakes. Accelerationness.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.